Look at my garden progress. These are nasturtiums coming up. Chocolate mint. This is buttercrunch lettuce and Swiss chard. Look at my onions. They're popping up. Here's peppers and more peppers and eggplant. And the herbs are starting to come up little by little. I see one little marigold popping up there. More herbs. I don't know what's going on with the parsley and the sage. I may have to buy a little plant. Look at these onions. I'm so excited. I love onions. So I have planted 12 onion bulbs. Tomatoes, and here's more Swiss chard and buttercrunch lettuce. I've already eaten the buttercrunch lettuce on my vegan bacon, lettuce, and tomato, and it was delicious. For me, my garden really is my happy place. It's where I go to relax. It's where I go to chill. I sit outside and read. I sit outside and work on different projects, study, and just enjoy being around the nature that I can create on my little 60 square foot balcony. It goes to show wherever you are, you can create a haven. Doesn't have to be a big space. Here's my little PF radio flyer wagon from my childhood. And again, just my setting that brings me peace, brings me joy, and gives me an opportunity to sit out here and convene with nature and watch Mother Nature do her thing. I love to see new plants popping up out of the soil. I love to watch the progress and the growth and eat the vegetables.